right. So the first homework problem, page 481, right? It gives you different number of pairs of shoes, and we are looking just for the point estimate. So what is the mathematical thing that we're trying to determine here? Like proportion, mean, whatever. Mean. So we want a point estimate. Well, point estimate is a statistic. So we're finding an X bar, and X bar for this problem just equals what? 30.35. So X bar is what you're dealing with here. The mean number of pairs of shoes. X bar equals 30.35. Number 3 is dealing with proportions. So instead of X bar, we're dealing with what? P hat. She finds that 36 plan to go to prom, so it's 36 out of the 50, which gives us P hat equals 0.72. And then number 4, with P hat you won't, because it's a proportion. So means will always have, means should have units. So the 30.35 is pairs of shoes, but P hat never will. So number 4, 18 answered yes, and it was 18 out of the 172, and we get a P hat of about what? 0.11. So P hat equals 0.11. Those should have been very straightforward. It was just understand the symbol that should be used, that you're using proportion versus mean, and then just kind of relating that to what we're doing. So those should have been extremely straightforward. Number 9, it gives you this graph with all these different horizontal lines underneath it, and some of them are red because their left end and right end do not actually contain the actual true parameter. So in number 9, it tells us that there were 25 of those little horizontal lines made. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them are red. So 4 of them did not capture what they were supposed to. So 21 out of the 25 did capture what they were supposed to. And what is 21 out of 25? 84%. So that's closest to which one of those? Technically 80%. So that's, I needed you to see the connection there. Now, does that mean it can't be 90? No. But I need you to see that 84% of those actually did capture the true mean. If we made a whole bunch of them, it would be the exact percent of our confidence level. But 84% is closer to 80%, so that would probably be our best choice. And then in the next one, it tells us that there are 25 lines again, and none of them had a lower and upper that didn't contain the true mean. So what percent of those actually contain the true mean or true parameter? All of them, 100%. So our best guess is that's probably a 99% confidence level. Questions on those? So those should have just been making sure we're all good with vocab and concepts. Those should have been really quick ones. All right.